All right. Hello, everyone. This is Teacher Molly, and welcome to Upskill e-learning class. This is the very first video that we are going to learn the new words. All right, everyone. ចឹងនេះគឺជាសៀវភៅនៅក្នុងវគ្គ Let's Go 3 Okay, so បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចមើលនៅក្នុងរូបភាពនេះបានអញ្ចឹងយើងមានរូបភាពចំនួន6បូករួមជាមួយនឹងពាក្យចំនួន6ដូចគ្នា អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមានពាក្យដូចជា art class English class music class math class swimming class ហើយនិង computer class Okay everyone read after me andតាម teacher art class English class music class math class swimming class computer class. Okay, everyone. So based on the words and the picture, can you merge all of those words with the picture? Okay, I will give you 1 minute or you can skip or pause the video to see and I will correct answer after that. Okay. Take your time, everyone. All right. So A, art class. So art class is marching with this one អញ្ចឹង art class គឺសំដៅទៅលើថ្នាក់សិល្បៈមានដូចជាគំនូរឬមួយក៏អីផ្សេងៗដែលតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងសិល្បៈ B English class I think this is the easiest one because as you can see in the picture we have the word English អញ្ចឹង English class គឺថ្នាក់រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេស music okay music class ថ្នាក់ចម្រៀងអញ្ចឹង music គឺនៅត្រង់នេះ okay so as you can see in the picture they are practicing the guitar អញ្ចឹងពួកគាត់កំពុងតែហ្វឹកហាត់រៀនក្នុងការលេង guitar math class okay math បកប្រែមកថាគណិតវិទ្យាអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលនៅក្នុងរូបភាពគឺត្រង់នេះ and letter E swimming class swimming class it's about the ថ្នាក់រៀនហែលទឹក everyone do you know how to swim all right okay so the very last word is computer class as you can see in the picture here's a lot of computer and students are learning to use the computer all right everyone so we have the word art class ថ្នាក់សិល្បៈ English class ថ្នាក់ភាសាអង់គ្លេស music class ថ្នាក់តន្ត្រី math class ថ្នាក់គណិតវិទ្យា swimming class ថ្នាក់ហែលទឹកនិង computer class ថ្នាក់ computer okay so to test your understanding you can look at all of those pictures and then write down the words that we have just learned. All right, everyone, this is your practice. Look at the picture and write down the words. Okay, so on the other hand, it's just for another practice for you. As you can see that here is the word my agenda. អញ្ចឹង agenda គឺកាលវិភាគរបស់ខ្ញុំ We have from Monday to Saturday. Monday, as you can see in the picture, what is this class? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we have the question. For example, what do you do on Monday? Okay, so everyone you can practice this បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចអនុវត្តជាមួយនឹងបងប្អូនឬមួយក៏ដៃគូណាមួយដើម្បីរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសមួយនេះអញ្ចឹង What do you do on Monday តើអ្នកធ្វើអ្វីនៅថ្ងៃច័ន្ទអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលនៅក្នុងរូបភាពពួកគាត់ធ្វើអីគេនេះឬមួយក៏យើងគេប្រើ you អញ្ចឹងយើងឆ្លើយមកយើងគ្រាន់តែនេះជារូបភាពតំណាងអញ្ចឹងណាចាអញ្ចឹង I go to computer class or Tuesday Wednesday so you can ask and practice make those questions and practice with your friends or your partner okay everyone thank you for listening to my class And if you want to know or to learn the other words or want to learn the other grammars and something that you want to know more, you can comment or you can let me know. All right. Okay, everyone, have a nice day and see you in the next class or the video. Bye bye.